Okay, I know most people will have this iron, and most times you will notice that the handle here is shaky, right? I know most people will be passing through this stage, the hand will be shaking, and you'll be wondering how to do it. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this by yourself without going to any engineer. It's very simple to fix this stuff here. It's very simple to fix, but you must make sure you be patient enough to watch this video to the very end. So all you need to do is to bring a star screwdriver. Then you have to lose these places. Please watch attentively. You have to lose these places. Bring out the nuts. You have to lose all these places. You bring out the nuts. Bring out the nuts. Make sure that the iron is not plugged, please. Make sure it's not plugged while you are doing this. So once you bring out the nuts, you open up this way. Now you're going to lose some certain points in this iron. Now these points you are losing is to enable you access the nut that connects to this. You can still lose this one here, to have more freedom. So you can just lose this one here, and make sure you don't mix the nuts or the bolts rather. Yeah, then the screw. Don't mix the screw. So once you lose it, keep them aside. Then you see this one here. You will lose it. And when losing, note the placement. The yellow was placed first, followed by the green, right? So lose these two. These two here will come out. Then you're going to lose here as well, the center point here. You have to lose it. These things I'm losing, it's not that I don't know the easiest way. This is the only way you can do it. Then once you lose these points, you just access that particular spot where the nut is. Then you also lose this one here. You also lose this one here. So keep note of the placement of the wire, right? Yellow is first, white is next. Then this one is alone right there. This one is alone right there. Then you are going to lose this one here as well. Lose this one here. This iron is hot, so I'm trying to be careful. I was using it before this fall started happening. So I just said, let me show you how to do it. Then you bend it down this way. Now you see the knot that is holding this knot here. This is the knot that you are going to tie it. So how then do you tighten it? You have to bring something of this nature or any size of this that will enter. I don't know the size, I think 10, 11, thereabouts. 10, 11. So if you have this, it's better off. You screw it, you lose it to the point, then tighten this knot here. You see that it's shaking, right? You see how it's shaking. So watch how I will tighten it. So you make sure you carefully. Don't be in a haste. Tighten that point. Tighten it. Tighten it. Make sure it's well tight. Don't cut the wire when you're trying to tighten it. Please don't cut the wire. So once you have gotten it to the best of the firm grip, then you see it's no longer shaking. It's now strong, right? It's now strong. So you now return all of this again. You see, as simple as that. So you return all of this again. You first tighten the one here, the one under. You tighten it. You tighten it. And then you return this one. Return these two. Yellow came first before the white. So return those two. So this is just a simple DIY on how you can fix this hand of iron shaking. This is tool iron, steam iron. So if you derive value from what you're seeing, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So tighten it. You must not really know, you must not be an electrician before you do this. You can do this at any point in time once it starts to shake. Because if it's shaking, it does not really give you that freedom or liberty to work very well. So you always have this issue of working with it. But when you tighten it this way, it tends to be firm, right? It tends to be firm and well gripped. So tighten all of this in this form. So the yellow wire is held first. So you carefully. Any wire can go though once you place them at the same point, right? Any of the wires can go first, but just make sure you don't interchange the wire positions. That's the main thing. So you tighten it this way. You see, you have fixed it. Then you can now tighten this up region. So this is a maintenance culture I do on my iron, so that you don't need to go and buy new one or throw it away if your own is having the same issue. So for as a tailor, you need to learn how to do it by yourself so that you spend less money in maintenance or repairs. So you now try to fix here lastly, and then tighten it as well with the nuts, with the screw. So you place it this way and you tighten it as well. So that's all. Then you can now plug your iron. Then you see the grip is back. The grip is back. It's no longer shaking. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now.